I'm going to say take this with a grain of salt because I've tried it a few times and it works overall. It works. But doing it live is really hard. I've tried recording it live a few times and it just doesn't work well. But the numbers that I was seeing before uh, it was in the 40s. This was in the 40s. And now it's saying in the 60s. The last time I did it, it actually said it was in the 90s. And so the results I'm getting are a little inconsistent, but regardless, all you do is you go to you hit Control Shift I, and then you would bring up your developer tools. You make sure that you go to Lighthouse in Lighthouse settings. It might be in the drop down, but you just make sure you go to Lighthouse. Go here once you run the tool. So once you, excuse this, once you, okay, I did it twice in a row. You would hit this and you hit New Report. Once you do your new report and you analyze that, then you'll get your numbers. Just go here, save as JSON. You save the file as JSON, then you go into cursor, you would add the file to your project folder so that you can see it here. Then you just start chatting with the file and you ask cursor to update your website based on the file. I'm not going to do it live just because you can see I've already done stuff in it. You know what to do for your developer. So that's how you do it. You just get the Lighthouse result from here, save it as JSON. You can either just copy it or save it as JSON, add it to your project folder, and start working on it there, and then you'll see better results. Like I wish I'll just show you what this looks like here. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it live in front of you guys because, like I said, it just doesn't work well. But you can see it's a whole lot faster. So anyway, thank you guys for watching.